Welcome to the ArtCenter Library. In this video, we're going to give you a quick tutorial on how to request an interlibrary loan title. While the library has a large collection of print books and magazines, we don't have everything. Fortunately, we're able to request materials not in our collection from other libraries. The first step is to visit our website at lib.artcenter.edu. You will then search for the title in our search bar. If you need assistance in learning about our basic and extended search, you can look at our tutorials on YouTube. If you're unable to locate an article or journal or book in our collection, you will return to the home page by selecting the library logo on the upper left, then go to Research Tools on the upper left, scroll down to Interlibrary Loan and select it, then select Form to request a book, article, etc. Next, choose the type of material you are looking for. We're going to request a journal, magazine, article. You might need to log in using your Inside ArtCenter username and password. Lastly, you will fill out the form with all the relevant information you found on the article. You will fill out the article's author, the article's title, on what journal or magazine the article appears in, the date it was published, the volume number, the issue number, what page or pages does the article appear in. If you know, you can also enter where it was cited in, any other relevant information, and a cancel if not fulfilled by date, and then select Submit to request the title. Articles from magazines and journals will be emailed to you and will take a few business days. Books that are requested can take up to 2 weeks. If you have any questions, you can chat with us via our Ask a Librarian function on the lower right. You can also visit our homepage and go to our Interlibrary Loan Research Guide. You can also email us at library-ill@artcenter.edu or visit our frequently asked page on the upper right and search for Interlibrary Loan. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thank you.